You're looking for an industry which is less competitive? Do you have passion for men's hair? You're looking for an industry wherein the clients call you up constantly for an appointment and you don't need to follow up for the clients? Looking for an industry which is completely exclusive and in the growing stage? Are you looking for an industry where you could generate revenue on a consistent basis without any competition? Well, if the answer is yes, I think you're at the right place. Let me introduce American Hairline. American Hairline is a non-surgical hair replacement company, and we are the first one in India to introduce non-surgical hair replacement course, which is a very, very intense course, including the internship, wherein we train the candidates, the hairdressers, professionals from beauty industry who want to be a part of this industry and grow their business. By the end of the course, we also award you with the certificate of completion that you completed your non-surgical hair replacement course with us. We also give you an opportunity to intern with us, and if we feel that you are completely focused, passionate, and you are giving your 100%, we will guarantee you a job in this industry. And because we are opening more centers, we may absorb you and give you a job guarantee as well. All we need to see is that how passionate are you, how dedicated are you, and if you're really focused to get into this non-surgical hair replacement, we assure you that we will hire you and make you part of our team. Well, if you have any other questions, you can call up on 9222 666 111. You can call them up and inquire about the course. You can tell them that which city you are from, if they can help you out with the accommodation, what are the convenient dates for you, and can you give those dedicated 5 days for the course. If the answer is yes, they will help you fix up the dates and they will tell you that what dates the courses are available. And usually the course timing is from 10 o'clock to 3 o'clock, and then there's a flow job. So what we do is we start the training at 10 a.m. and it goes on to 3 p.m. and then we basically train on the floor. If you're very sure you want to be part of the non-surgical hair replacement industry, you want to be a part of the growing industry, you want to elevate your business, you want to increase your revenue, you want to get into an industry which is not competitive at all, I think you've made the right decision, and you can call them up and inquire about the course now.